All right, here's the video for homework problem 31 on the homework 3.4. And what we have is e raised to the x squared minus 3 equals e raised to the x minus 2. This is a one-to-one function. Since the bases are the same, they both have base e raised to some exponent. We can set those exponents equal to each other. So you end up getting x squared minus 3 equals x minus 2. You're going to have to subtract everything over to one side so that it gets to be a quadratic. And so I'm going to subtract over x. So this is x squared minus x minus 3 equals negative 2. I'm going to add over 2. And so I get x squared minus x minus 1 equals 0. And I have my quadratic. Needs to multiply to negative 1, add to negative 1. That's not possible to do. And so you're going to use the quadratic formula from here on out. Using the quadratic formula, negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. We'll just set it up and then I'll have you solve it. So you have negative b, that's going to be just positive 1 because we have negative 1, so negative 1 is positive 1, plus or minus the square root of b squared, well that is going to be 1 squared, minus 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is negative 1, all over 2a, which is 2 times 1. And then once you solve this, you should get 2 answers, 2 x answers there, and you should be able to check the back of the book to make sure that you got them correct. But yes, whenever you notice the same bases, they're one-to-one, so you can set them equal to each other. They will try to get you with this sometimes where you may have to factor it, you may have to use the quadratic formula, depending on what you get here, which happened to be a quadratic.